Hello there, I'm welcoming you all again in another video. So today we're gonna start with the basics of Python programming. Let's begin. Firstly, I'm going to discuss with you the structure of a Python programming. That structure contains five components. I'm gonna discuss with you each component one by one. Firstly, expressions. What do you mean by expressions? An expression is any legal combination of symbols that represent a value. What I mean a combination of legal symbols. Likewise, x plus y equals to 10. There are two symbols as you can see on the screen. When you got the answer of that equation, we call them as value. So guys, our second point is statements. There are two types of statements. First one is simple and the second one is compound statement. A simple statement is comprised within a single logical line. Several simple statements may occur on a single line, separated by semicolons. For an example, as you can see on the screen, print hello world. This is a simple statement we call them. Okay. And on the other hand, there is a compound statement contains groups of other statements. In general, compound statements span multiple lines, although in simple equation of a whole compound statement may be contained in one line. For example, if 5 is greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2. Similarly, for if while such kind of statements are come under the compound statements because they cover lots of code, they include lots of line or so this is what we call as statements. So let's move on. Our third point is indentation. Our third point is indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming languages the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. For an example, if 5 is greater than 2, okay, that's alright. Then print 5 is greater than 2. Now, what's the issue over there? You got the error of indentation error. What's the indentation error? If you didn't give the space over there, you definitely got an error. On the other hand, I just put this statement, I got my solution. I got my answer exactly whatever I want. So this is how the indentation works and what's the mean of that. Okay, so let's move on our another point which known as comments. Comments basically we used and are very important while writing a program. They describe what is going on inside a program so that a person looking at a source code does not have a hard time figure it out. In Python we use the hash symbol to start writing a comment. We use that hash symbol and we start our writing a comment. This is how we can do. Okay guys, so our last topic is function. A function is a block of code which only runs when it called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. For example, define my function. Here you define this function with the name of my function and you store the value over there. Print hello from a function. Whenever you use this statement my function, this is how you can call this data with the use of this statement my function with the name of a function. You can easily call it anywhere you want to call them. You can call in your code. So this is how we can use the function. Okay guys, so that's all for today. We meet soon in our next class. So basically I'm going to teach you about tokens in our next class. So be tuned. We're gonna meet soon in our next class. Take care and thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. All right, bye bye.